Hello, welcome everyone to Summer Sweepstakes 2024 Lucky Draw Season. My name is Guy from Marketing Team. Today we're coming to you to announce the lucky winners of our exciting prize draw. And now, the moment that you've been waiting for. We have 9 first prizes and 1 grand prize in this event. So, let's check it out. And our winners of the first prize are Matthew Brown. Next is Ahmed Hassan. And the next is Christopher Smith. And Brandon Wilson. And Michael Johnson. And Lawrence McAtee. The next is Daniel Taylor and Andrew Martinez and Joshua Davis. Congratulations! But wait, there's more. There is only 1 grand prize in this event, so guess who is the luckiest customer? And our winners of grand prize is Carlos Hernandez. Congratulations! You won an incredible prize. Winners will be notified via email or phone after this drawing. A huge congratulations to all our winners and a big thank you to everyone who participated in this Summer Sweepstakes 2024, which is an amazing promotion to celebrate our 10th anniversary. Remember to connect with Car from Japan. Until next time, happy driving and have a fantastic day. ありがとうございました。